Nice. All right, so we are entering the cold, rainy, dark season, so I'm gonna have to figure out some other projects that I can do indoors when the weather's really bad or after dark. So, it rained all week, and we have a gutter out front of my house that is clogged where the downspout is, so it overflows right in front of our front door. I'm gonna clean that gutter, and I figured while I'm working around that gutter, I might as well find something else to do so it's not just a downspout into our bark. And I thought, what a good opportunity to put in a rain chain. And if I'm putting in a rain chain, I might as well make it myself. So during the cleanup after that wildfire last year, I saved a box full of rusted, burnt, circular things. And I have this old wire that I can use in pieces to chain them together.
Is there donuts?
Yes, it does look like donuts. Yep, many of them look like donuts. This we have a bicycle gear, a spring, some kind of some washers and nuts. Yep, this is off of a bicycle. This is some sort of loop and chain.
Baby donut.
Baby donut. Yep, that one also looks like a baby donut.
Baby donut.
Yep. I think I'm gonna go like big, start with the little one at the top and go gradually bigger and then little and then big again. So I'm just gonna put these in order, smallest to biggest, and then sort them out in a way that looks cool.
Mama.
So ever since we got the building put back together, since the fire, we've actually been working full time on automotive, which is really cool. But I've also been able to do a little bit of work out front on some landscaping, but I haven't really been able to piece together a video for that yet because we haven't actually finished a project yet. All right, so this is the pieces in order. I might move some around a little bit, but they get like gradually bigger and then small again and then big again toward the bottom, and it looks kind of like a snake right now. And I'm going to use this wire to chain them all together so that I can just hang it up.
What do we do now?
All right. There's my top.
It's cute.
Yeah, it's back
Yeah,
working.
I like it actually. Good boy.
So I'm going to clean the gutter, and then we'll hook this up and see what it looks like.
Watch out, Hila.
So what I have here is more of this wire and this long nail. So I'm going to stick this nail over the top of the downspout here and wire this to it so that it can hang through this in the middle so that it doesn't have to hang on the outside. Alright, if you found this interesting, leave me a like below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.